Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Fitri Kirana with ID numbers 44230423, and this is my partner.
My name is Andika Reti Kurnia with ID number 44230435.
And today we're going to record a podcast about smoking on campus and use artificial intelligence or AI on campus situation. Uh, we're going for first topic is smoking on campus. Hello everyone, good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anindia Fitri Kirana and people usually call me Anin. And today I'd like to have a casual chat with you all about smoking on campus. And I'm sure we're familiar with these issues, smoking on campus, and let's discuss it together. But I'm not alone in here. Before we begin our discussions, let me introduce my colleague, Andika Rifki Kurnia, our speaker today. Hi Iki, how are you? Wow, we're finally about to meet again after trying to schedule get together for so long.
Hi Annie, I'm doing great. Yeah, sorry about that. My schedule has been really patched this past 2 weeks. How about you? Are you doing well?
Me, I'm doing great, yeah, of course. And you're super busy a person now, yeah?
Yeah, I'm being really productive right now. Sometimes I can't even keep up with my work and assignment.
Wow, you're really busy. But that's so cool. It's a great to be such a productive person. Even that's tired.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, how are your activity going? Are you doing well?
I'm doing great and they they're going really well. I'm learning a lot and gaining experience too.
That's great.
By the way, before we keep chatting, I've already prepared some coffee and snacks for you.
Wow, thank you so much. You know me so well. I really love coffee.
Of course, I know. And whenever we hang out or do something together, you always order coffee and it become a must.
You really do remember everything, huh?
I do, always, and never forget to our conversation will be enjoyable later.
I agree. By the way, what are we going to talk about later?
I have an interesting topic for discuss.
What is it?
So I like to talk about smoking on campus.
Okay, that's an interesting topic to discuss because most students these days smoke.
Yeah, right. Almost everyone smoke on campus.
Because cigarettes are now kind of like a nicotine. People are always looking for them.
Yeah, why do people, especially guys, always look for cigarettes? Why do you think about it?
I think cigarettes help some people in all kind of ways.
Ways like what, for example?
For example, like what we are discussing now, smoking on campus, cigarettes sometimes help calm your mind, which is why many students smoke before or after class. It helps us relax, think clearly, and stay awake.
I agree with that. It can help with daily activities, but the problem is that there are still students who smoke in appropriate places. What should we do about that? What do you think?
I think the university administration needs to be stricter with students and not just strict, but supportive too. like by setting up designated smoking area for them and recently making them feel comfortable there.
I agree because it's a smoking art. It's a smoking areas are comfortable and also do we want to stay there and won't smoke haphazardly anymore.
Yep, exactly right.
So that's all that I want to talk about. And it's been nice. We've been able to have a discussion while chatting casually. And first of all, thanks for taking the time to come over.
My pleasure, Anin. Besides, it's been a while since we last meet.
Yeah, it's been so long. And before we go wrap up our chat, let's take a picture first. Okay?
Hey, can we take a picture?
Okay, let's go. See you later, Ricky.
You're welcome, and see you later. Okay, let's move on topic 2 where we'll discuss artificial intelligence. Hello, good evening everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Rifkupunia, but people usually call me Dika. Today, I like to have a casual chat with you about artificial intelligence or AI. Who has heard of AI? I'm sure we're all familiar with this cutting edge technology, especially among college students. So, what impact does it use have on campus life? Let's discuss it together. But before we begin our discussion, let me introduce my colleague Anindya Fitri Kirana, our special guest today.
Hello, everyone. And how are you today? May we always be healthy and happy at all times. I'd like to thank Julika for inviting me to
Sure
talk
thing.
about AI or artificial intelligence.
With my pleasure, Anin. All right, let's get into discussion, everyone. Anin, do you think AI is important in the world of education? And does it have a positive or negative impact on students?
All right. It is important for use in today's digital age, especially in the field of education, where the technology is becoming increasingly advanced and everything depends on technology. AI is one such example, right? And according to 2019 journal article by Rante and Irvin, AI has the potential to enrich the teaching and learning process in education. While students can access information more quickly and enjoy a personalized learning experience and tailor the learning process to their individual, it's these are among the positive impact of AI.
What if AI and replacing the education system in the future, will students end up becoming dependent on AI?
Okay, all right. As we know, the current technology development is already modern. Where this modern technology is developed to meet human needs with the aim of making life easier and providing comfort. The modern technology that has been developed and it's starting to be used today includes artificial intelligence AI or robotics and the Internet of Things or IoT. That according to journal article on the use of artificial intelligence by Mr. Bambang Karyadi, it explains that utilization of artificial intelligence technology in supporting education does not mean replacing the role of education. And the important role of education remains to teach, educate, and train to build the skills, knowledge, and moral of students.
Okay,
That's it.
thanks, Nick. Does that mean it's okay for students to use AI for their learning and that it won't have or negative effect. What if some student misunderstand it?
Hmm. Well, it's difficult. That's right. It's fun to use it, but it must be used wisely and effectively. Because when utilizing this technology, parents and educators need to play to role in equipping students with the necessary skills, supervising them, and evaluating their progress.
Okay, wow, that's pretty concise. To the point explanation is an okay. One last question for me.
Wow, and what's that?
What consists can you share learning they use on AI on campus?
Well, based on research findings at UNZHA and UPM, it appears that students create nice to engage with AI various influenced by digital literacy, experience, faculty supports, and academic environment. Some already prepared to use it reflectively, but while others still require guidance. And AI has proven to help students and faculty in understanding course material, completing assignment, and creating learning research, but it also poses challenging such over-reliance and decline in critical thinking skills and the risk of plagiarism. Therefore, comprehensive educational strategy in needed through the active role of faculty members at facilitator, the ethical use of AI by students, and government regulation and guidelines, and broader and more in-depth follow-up research to that use of AI truly supports and the sustainable quality of higher education.
Okay, thank you for your time today. It was helpful and very informative.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Dika. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much.
much. Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.